Vibe coders are right now getting hired by Google for as forward deployment engineers, and this is a new form of engineering which has not previously existed, but you could already see that Google is recruiting a lot. I wanted to bring this to attention because we are seeing extreme amount of layoffs which are happening everywhere. If you go to layoffs.fyi, you could already see 103,000 tech companies have laid off their employees. So more than 131 companies have laid off just in 2026. So there's a lot of layoffs happening all because of AI, because AI is automating a lot of things, a lot of back office stuff. So it's really important to look at new opportunities which are starting and new opportunities which are existing. And we can see that Google is recruiting hundreds of engineers. And also, you could see through the sentiment that a lot of other CEOs and founders are mentioning that they're looking for forward deployed engineers because that's going to become one of the most in demand jobs in tech. So, what exactly is forward deployment engineer and how do you exactly get there? So, just to summarize, forward deployed engineers are people who understand AI agents properly. These are people who understand all this tech, cloud code, Codex, wipe coding, and they can use these models, which are open source models, and also start fine tuning them, using them for their for specifically for a company and fine tuning all of these models. Usually, we've got large language models, but we have also got small language models, and these models are usually 4 billion parameters, 16 billion parameters, and these work really excellent for many different businesses because they're fine tuned only for their specific use case. And if you know this tech, then you have one of the most on-demand jobs right now. And I understand a lot of people who are losing it and they're saying, hey, there are a lot of layoffs. But that's one thing I want you to really start focusing on. And on this channel, we are going to start posting a lot about forward deployed engineers. And you're going to see exactly what are the skills that you need in order to become a forward deployed engineer. On this channel, we cover Codex, Claude, we cover Kimi, all of these Chinese models which are open source. And we also cover how to fine tune your own large language models, small language models. And right now, just on a normal computer with 48 or 24 gigabyte of RAM, you could start fine tuning these models. So it's excellent. You also do not need any GPUs because we can rent out GPUs using RunPod and other platforms to fine tune. So it's a huge opportunity. And if you want to learn more about this, like and subscribe to this channel because we are going to be going daily creating tutorials on how to make you a forward deployed engineer.